What's behind the door today? A home that gives you something buyers are asking for. Comfortable everyday living with most everything you need on the main level. Come take a look. Welcome to Bristol Park in McDonough. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offers a flexible floor plan that can work through many different stages of life. On the main level, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, along with the kitchen and everyday living spaces. That means less running up and down stairs and plenty of room to make the home work for the way you live. And some of the expensive improvements have already been taken care of. The refrigerator, range, and dishwasher were replaced in 2023. All of the windows and exterior doors were also replaced in 2024, and the roof was replaced in 2019. Then there's the upstairs. With its own bedroom and full bath, this space could be a guest suite, home office, hobby room, private retreat, or simply that extra bedroom when you need it. Outside, you have a flat, usable backyard. There's room to garden, play, entertain, or simply sit outside and enjoy the day. And on these hot summer days, you can cool off and enjoy the neighborhood pool right here in the Bristol Park community. You'll also be conveniently located near shopping and restaurants. And the home comes with a 1-year home warranty for added peace of mind. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, flexible living, and major improvements already completed, all for $299,900. I'm Lori Walker. Enjoy where you live.